Hello everyone. Today I am back with a video on Independence Day. We all celebrate Independence Day, isn't it? So I have brought a video on Independence Day. I have removed some fact about our national flag courtesy Google. So I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and enjoy the video. Happy Independence Day from me. Our freedom was attained by our ancestors after striving for centuries and hundreds of revolts. Now we are able to celebrate the 74th year of our independence. So, what is independence and why is it so important? Independence means freedom from the control, influence, support, or the like of others as defined in the dictionary. Let's see further about independence. An independent nation has the power to rule and it can make its own laws and decisions. Basically, function on its own without interference from other countries. So, there is no interference from other countries. We are our own boss. Having independence is important in order for a country and its people to develop. So, we should not take our independence for granted. Instead, we must unite and defend our independence as a nation. India will celebrate its 74th Independence Day this year, but with a slight twist. Owing to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, there will be no social gatherings. Instead, all states and government offices have been asked to webcast the events and celebrations. Even the gatherings at the Red Fort, where the flag is hoisted every Independence Day, will be limited. Now let's see something and let's understand about our national flag. The national flag is horizontal tricolor. By law, the flag is to be made of khadi. The ratio of width of the flag to its length is 2:3. The top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of the country. So, the saffron color shows the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth. So, the white band indicates peace and truth. The last band is green in color, shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness, that is the successfulness of the land. So what the green color shows, it shows the fertility, growth and successfulness, that is auspiciousness of the land. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. Now let's see something about the Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra is the depiction of the Dharma Chakra or the wheel of law, represented with 24 spokes. The chakra represents the continuing progress of the nation and the importance of justice in life. The flag was approved on July 22, 1947 and presented to the Indian nation on August 15, 1947, when Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, raised the flag at Lahore Gate of the Red Fort in Delhi. Now we have seen about the national flag. Let's see the next part. As India celebrates its 74th Independence Day, here is a look at some of the countries around the world that became free on August 15th. So on August 15, 1971, Bahrain declared independence from British. But Bahrain celebrates December 16 as its national day as a tribute to the day former ruler Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa took power. So Bahrain got freedom on August 15, same as India, but in the year 1971. Then North Korea and South Korea celebrate August 15 as the National Liberation Day of Korea when they got independence from Japanese colonization. So even North and South Korea celebrate August 15. On August 15, 1960, the Republic of Congo received independence from France. So even the Republic of Congo, they received independence from France on August 15. These were some of the countries which became free on August 15, same as India. Now, Indians living in other parts of the world also celebrate Independence Day, and several states in the United States have declared India's Independence Day, August 15, as India Day. So the Indians living in United States, they have declared Independence Day, August 15, as India Day. India's Independence Day reminds the country's citizens of all the sacrifices the freedom fighters have made to secure the country's future. So we must respect their sacrifices, and we should ensure that our freedom is preserved and saved, and we progress for the betterment of our country. I hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.